Hello all, this is Kirtibala Pawar, Assistant Professor, Quality Assurance, Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research, Kalyan. Today we will see the principle and working of laminar airflow, the equipment which is used in microbiology and biotechnology lab. So this is laminar airflow cabinet. First we will see what is laminar flow. Laminar flow is defined as airflow in which the entire body of air within a designated space is uniform in both velocity and direction. So with the help of laminar airflow, we can have unidirectional airflow with constant velocity. So what is a laminar flow hood? Clean benches and biological safety cabinets are common examples of laminar flow hoods. They are laboratory enclosures designed to carefully direct HEPA filtered air. HEPA filter means high efficiency particulate air filters. Some of these hoods protect items placed on the work surface from contamination. So basically laminar airflow hoods are used for protection of items placed on the work surface from contamination. Others prevent exposing the user to contaminants in the work area. So there will be protection of user as well as material from contamination. Laminar flow hoods are often used to work with biological samples, semiconductors or other sensitive materials. Now we will see what are laminar flows. Laminar airflows can maintain a working area devoid of contaminants. Many medical and research laboratories require sterile working environment in order to carry out specialized work. Laminar flow cabinets can provide the solution. So basically laminar airflows are used for sterile conditions, for maintaining sterile conditions while working. Why laminar flow cabinets? Laminar flow cabinets create particle-free working environment by projecting air through a filtration system and exhausting it across a work surface in a laminar or unidirectional air stream. They provide an excellent clean environment for a number of laboratory requirements. So basically with the help of laminar airflow cabinets, we will have a contaminant-free work environment. So how laminar airflow cabinets are made? Laminar flow cabinets or laminar airflow cabinets, as they are known, are normally made of stainless steel with no gaps or joint, thereby preventing the buildup of bacteria from collecting anywhere in the working zone. So if any gaps or joints are there, the chances of microbial contamination will increase. So basically laminar flow cabinets are made up of stainless steel with no gaps and no joints. Laminar flow cabinets are also known as clean benches because the air for the working environment is thoroughly cleaned by the precision filtration process. Now, principle. The air supplied to the clean room must be filtered through high efficiency particulate air filters. The HEPA filters must be positioned at the inlet of clean room and pre-filters may be fitted upstream of HEPA filters to prolong the life of HEPA filters. As HEPA filters are very costly and pore size of their membrane is very minute, that's why HEPA filters are always attached with pre-filters. So pre-filters will increase the lifespan of HEPA filters. HEPA filters are made up of pleated fiberglass as a filter medium. The filter consists of a continuous sheet of filtration material pleated with corrugated separator placed between each pleat and sealed into a grid metal frame. Aluminum foil is used to form spacers in HEPA filters. Laminar airflow equipment can deliver clean air in vertical, horizontal and curvilinear direction. So there are three types of airflows in laminar airflow cabinets. First one is vertical from ceiling to the floor, horizontal from wall to wall and curvilinear from wall to floor. Working air entering the laminar airflow hoods first passes through pre-filters. So pre-filters will remove the large size air particles. Now with the help of blower, the pre-filtered air will pass through the HEPA filters whose pore size is very small. So Working of laminar airflow cabinets. Room air is sucked into a equipment and passes through a pre-filter which removes larger air contamination. A blower then forces the pre-filtered air through a second filter system in laminar airflow units known as high efficiency particulate air filter. The air emitted from laminar airflow equipment is claimed to be 99.97% free from microbial contamination, as efficiency of HEPA filter is 99.97%. This level is based upon removal of diethyl phthalate particles of size 0.3 micrometer and larger. The velocity of HEPA filtered air is measured using an air velometer. Air velocity, as all parts of filter should be 90 plus minus 20 feet per minute. To increase the lifespan of HEPA filter, we quality control procedures must be adopted to evaluate and monitor the quality of laminar airflow. Air quality is evaluated using particle counters, microbial air samplers and settled plate technique. The efficiency of HEPA filter is evaluated by employing diethyl phthalate test, which is called as DOPE test. This is a challenge test for HEPA filter. Diethyl phthalate is a volatile liquid which converts to a vapor or smoke under pressure having a size range of 0.3 to 0.4 micrometer. The doped smoke is introduced at a supply plenum. A photometer probe scans the HEPA filter surface and checks the leakage of the filter. Presence of doped smoke is detected by photometer. Sensors are fitted upstream and downstream of the filters to indicate pressure differential across the filter. Alarm system should be used to indicate failure in air supply or filter blockage. So to check the efficiency of HEPA filters, DOPE test is used. Now, types of laminar airflow cabinets. There are two types: horizontal laminar airflow cabinets and vertical laminar airflow cabinets. Horizontal laminar flow cabinets receive their name due to direction of airflow which comes above but then changes direction and is processed across the work in a horizontal direction from wall to wall. The constant flow of filtered air provides material and product protection. Second type of laminar airflow cabinets is vertical laminar flow cabinets. Vertical laminar flow cabinets function equally as well as horizontal laminar airflow cabinets with a laminar air directed vertically downwards onto the working area. The air can leave the working area via holes in the base. Vertical flow cabinets can provide greater operator protection as air comes from ceiling to the floor. Now, uses of laminar airflow. Laminar flow cabinets are suitable for a variety of applications and especially where individual clean air environment is required for smaller items, for example, particle sensitive electronic devices. In the laboratory, laminar flow cabinets are commonly used for a specialized work. Laminar flow cabinets can be tailor-made to the specific requirement. Laminar flow cabinets can be tailor-made to the specific requirements of laboratory and are also ideal for general lab work, especially in medical, pharmaceutical and electronic and industrial sectors. Now we will see the video of laminar airflow cabinet.
Laminar airflow is defined as the movement of air through a uniform velocity on parallel lines. It is used for the production of sterile pharmaceutical products because it employs and constructs a Class 100 environment. It is used in clean rooms where air is filtered using a pre-filter machine and HEPA filter. There are two kinds of laminar airflow hood, the horizontal and vertical. It passes through a pre-filter which is 95% efficient to the blower with positive pressure, and to the HEPA filter which is 99.97% efficient.